In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Coinbase app login problem 2025. Solve Coinbase app login error. If your Coinbase app keeps throwing a login error, the most reliable fix on Android is to reset the app's local data so it starts fresh. This does not affect your crypto or your Coinbase account. Your assets live on Coinbase's servers, not on your phone. Clearing the app's storage only removes temporary files and the app's saved preferences on your device. Before we begin, be ready to sign in again afterward and have access to your two-factor method. Never share your security codes or recovery phrase with anyone. Start by finding the Coinbase app on your phone. Look on your home screen or open your app drawer. If you have a lot of apps, you can use your device's search bar to type the app's name so it appears quickly. The goal is simply to locate the app icon on your Android device. Next, press and hold the Coinbase icon. Keep your finger on it until a small menu appears or the icon highlights. This long press gesture is a shortcut to app management options on Android, and it saves you from digging through settings manually. From that menu, choose App Info. Tapping App Info opens the system settings page dedicated to the Coinbase app. This page is where Android shows permissions, notifications, battery, and storage details for the app. We're heading here because login issues are often caused by corrupted local data or an out-of-sync cache, and the fix lives inside these settings. On the App Info screen, tap Storage and Cache. This section shows how much space the app's data is using and gives you two controls, one for clearing cache and one for clearing storage. Cache is just temporary files that help the app load faster. Storage, also called data, includes things like your logged-in state and preferences. Finally, tap Clear Storage. Confirm if your phone asks you to proceed. Clearing storage resets the Coinbase app on your device to its default state, which is exactly what we want when a login loop or error keeps coming back. This is more thorough than clearing only the cache, and is the step that most consistently removes corrupted settings that block sign-in. Expect the app to behave like it was just installed the next time you open it. That's normal, and it's a sign the reset worked. That's it. By locating the app, long pressing to reach app info, opening storage and cache, and clearing storage, you give Coinbase a clean slate on your phone, which often resolves stubborn login errors quickly and safely.